Welcome to SS Beauty's YouTube channel. My name is Aina, I'm 46 and among many other things, I'm a skincare geek. I have always loved skincare and over the years I have researched, experimented and played with a lot of products. Today I'm here to share my top 5 skincare favorites that work very well for mature skin and are part of my skincare routine. Let's begin. First up is the iconic Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Serum. I have been using this serum for years and I know this for a fact that skincare enthusiasts all over the world swear by it. This serum not just rejuvenates your skin but also strengthens your skin barrier. It hydrates and reduces appearance of fine lines and boosts your skin's radiance. Next up is the Minimalist Retinol Serum. It's a new addition to my list of favorites and I quite like it for its efficacy. Retinol is quite good for mature skin and this serum does deliver a potent dose. It promotes cell turnover, smooths out wrinkles and even works on uneven skin texture. If you're new to retinol, then I suggest you start using this serum couple of times a week and gradually build it to 4 times a week to make sure your skin adjusts to the product. My third pick is the Clarins Double Eye Serum. As we grow older, under eye area needs special care. I have been using Double Eye Serum for almost 2 years now. And I particularly like this serum because the texture is light yet effective and it's hydrating. Reduces under eye puffiness, making the area look fresh and youthful. Trust me, it's been a game changer for me. Fourth on my favorites list is Lancome Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. And as the name suggests, it's amazing for mature skin. And it's been part of my skincare routine for years now. It works on enhancing skin's texture, improves luminosity, reduces fine lines and boosts skin's overall health. It also strengthens skin's barrier and improves skin resilience. Last but not the least, on the list of my skincare favorites formulated for mature skin is Shiseido Vital Perfection Uplifting and Firming Enriched Cream. It is scent-free and has a rich texture that glides easily on skin. This cream is a moisturizer that hydrates, firms, brightens and lifts the skin. This cream helps reduce hyperpigmentation and improve elasticity. It also helps minimize the appearance of wrinkles. These are my top 5 skincare favorites for mature skin, which are part of my skincare routine. I strongly believe consistent use of right products deliver effective results, especially when it comes to skincare, and can be a game changer for mature skin. If you're looking for hydrated, radiant and youthful skin, then I highly recommend you try using these skincare products in your skincare routine. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.